Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, August 22nd, 2016. U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, I think I called the Dow up for today. It didn't go up, but it's just being kind of weird. On Friday, we put in what looked to me like a bull spike here. And then it recovered. That's why I called the Dow up for today. What happened today is it just turns around and puts in another bull spike, but a bull spike that's lower than the one on Friday, and then it recovers again. So I'm going to use the same logic regardless, and I will call the Dow up for tomorrow. It just, it's doing these quick sell-offs, but it's recovering. That indicates to me, this is not a weak market at all. It wants to go higher. It's just kind of storing up some steam here, winding up and getting ready for another run at the top. So I'm not saying it couldn't go down tomorrow, but I think it's more likely, odds favor, it's going to go higher. And the other thing that tends to support this idea is going higher, that even though the Dow ended up closing down 23 points today, we still made money. And when we're making money, when the Dow's going down, that's a good sign. It shows that there is strength in the internals of the overall market. Today we ended up closing out negative, just shy of $3,000. That doesn't sound too good, but we're carrying almost $8,000 positive going into tomorrow. So we're definitely positive for the day. We got into 9 noon positions today. 5 are positive, 4 are negative. That's pretty much the ratio we would expect. And as I say, we're carrying nearly $8,000 going into tomorrow. I'll show you just 3 of the trades here. I'll show you the bad one, the one that caused us to go into the loss today. This is Degas. It's inverse natural gas. This stock is famous for its gaps. You can see here on Friday we had this huge gap up, and of course we buy the gaps. Look pretty good on the close, and then today on Monday we get a huge down gap stopping us out, and that cost us $4,000. That hurt, and that's why we couldn't show anything positive on our closed out ledger today. But we got into some good stuff today that more than offsets that. This first one is NBIX, Neurocrine Biosciences, and it jumped up this morning. We got in just as soon as we could, and it just kept going, ended up closing there almost on its high. We're holding $2,600 in open trade equity in Neurocrine Biosciences. Then we got, show you the really good one. Okay, this is JDST, which is inverse gold. Inverse gold. So this thing's going to go up when gold's going down. And it gapped up on Friday. We bought the gap. It closed a little bit in our favor, but we got the big gap this morning. Looked like it might sell off, and then it recovered. Tried to sell off again, and it recovered again. So we are holding over $6,000 in JDST going into tomorrow. That's our big trade, over $6,000. So good day. Trader Bob's happy, and I think we're going to have, oh, I should also mention all these stocks are up in the aftermarket. Right now, it looks really good. The problem is we've had this pattern recently 2 or 3 times, and then the darn things reverse the next day. So, hey, knock on wood, these patterns don't repeat themselves exactly time after time. I'm looking for a good opening tomorrow on Tuesday. I'm signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday.